Hey everyone, I'm going to show you all how to do a twist out in only 2 minutes. Okay, let's go. So right here, I'm just showing you all after I've rinsed this healing clay, the bentonite clay, out of my hair. So this is that green clay. I mixed it with apple cider vinegar and just applied it. And I put it on my face as well, just to kind of give myself a facial. Here I'm showing you where I've rinsed it out, just going through. I didn't put any shampoo in my hair because you don't want to strip your hair that much. It's already doing justice, okay? Look at those curls. This stuff cleans your hair, detoxes, everything. So after that, I go in with my Tropical Moringa hair mask by The Main Choice, and I sit under the dryer for like 15 to 30 minutes just to let it penetrate. And after that, I've rinsed it out. And now I'm going to go in with the hot oil treatment because my hair has been extremely dry. So I just wanted to put that in, give myself a little moisture. And I let that sit in my hair for 2 minutes and take those twists out. After that, I've rinsed it out and put my leave-in conditioner in by Jackie's. It's the Quench conditioner, one of the best ones, hands down, okay? I love this conditioner. Then I go in with my Pantene moisturizer, the Gold Series, my Curls Defining Jelly. That works really, really good as well. Then I put my Blue Magic grease in there. Don't mind that. That's just me saying this grease is this grease. Okay, don't judge me, but that grease works wonders. So here I'm showing you all how I do my twist. I just go in first. You know, I've already put the leave-in conditioner in there, so I go in with my leave-in conditioner, then I do the jelly, and then I add the grease last to lock in all of that moisture. And then I just go in with my Mercier brush, detangling brush, just to kind of get those curls flowing, get it detangled so that, you know, everything locks together smoothly. So here, I'm showing you how to twist. Just twist to the right, making sure you're twisting in the right because that's the direction that our hair, you know, grows out in. So you want to do it that way. Twisting all the way down. Look at that length. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So here is me final product. Not my best work, but you know, it'll do. Just something quick.
1 week later.
Okay, and here we go. 1 week later, and these curls are looking all good. Look at that bouncing. Yes, ma'am. Okay, shake it. Oh, y'all, this is one of my best twist outs. One of them. It looks amazing. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. Not really a YouTuber, but you can watch this if you need it.